Welcome to the session number 40 from the playlist of JEE Main Physics Part 2. The topic is the variation of magnetic field with distance from the center of a coil. And based on this topic, I have selected one question which is written here on this board. The question here is, the magnetic field at a distance h from the center of a coil consisting of n turns and radius r, which is measured on the axis of this coil and normal to the plane of the coil, is less than the magnetic field at the center by a fraction. So there are four options here and we have to find the correct one. So basically what we have to find is the fractional decrease in the value of the magnetic field at a point h from the center of the coil on the axial line in comparison to the magnetic field at the center. That is, the fractional decrease will be equal to the value of the magnetic field at the center. Let us say this is equal to B. I am just denoting here as B center, minus the value of the magnetic field at a distance h from the center of the coil on the axis of the axial line of the coil, divided by the magnitude of the magnetic field at the center of the coil. So this is the fractional decrease and this is what we have to find. So now we know that the magnetic field at a distance h from the center of a coil on the axial line is given by B is equal to mu naught Ni r square divided by 2 in bracket r square plus h square divided by 3 by to the power 3 by 2. So here r is the radius of the coil, n is the number of turns, I is the current which is flowing in the coil, and h is the distance from the center of the coil on the axial line of the coil. So from this formula we can find the value of the magnetic field at the center of the coil, which is equal to mu naught Ni divided by 2r. See, at the center of the coil h will be equal to 0. So if I put the value of h equal to 0, I will be getting r square to the power 3 by 2. So this will become r cube. So r square divided by r cube will be equal to r. So the magnitude of the magnetic field at the center of the coil will be equal to mu naught Ni upon 2r. Now we have to find this value, that is the fractional decrease, that is B center minus the magnetic field at a distance h from the center of the coil on the axial line divided by the magnitude of the magnetic field at the center. So we have already find the value of the magnetic field at the center, which is equal to mu naught Ni upon 2r. The value of the magnetic field at a distance h from the center of the coil on the axial line is given by this formula. So this fractional decrease will be equal to mu naught Ni divided by 2r minus BH. Now BH is equal to mu naught Ni r square divided by 2 r square plus h square to the power 3 by 2 and divided by mu naught Ni divided by 2r. So this is the, now we have to simplify this value. So from here mu naught Ni upon this 2 can be taken as common in the numerator and the denominator. So I will be getting this value as this will be equal to 1 by r minus r square divided by 2 r square plus h square 3 by 2, and this will be this mu naught ni upon r was taken as common, so it will be divided by 2. This is the common is mu naught ni upon 2. So I was I got 1 by r minus r square. Sorry. From here I will be getting the value as mu naught, and because here I can take the common as mu naught ni upon yes 2. So I will be getting the value as 1 by r, okay, and then I will be getting the value here as mu naught ni upon 2 is common. So this 2 will not come here, and I will be getting the value as the numerator will be equal to this value divided by mu naught ni upon this 2 will get cancelled out. So I will be getting it as 1 by r. So 1 by r will go into the numerator, and I can simply multiply it, so it will be r, and this will be equal to into r. So from here, this will be equal to 1 minus r cube divided by r square plus h square to the power 3 by 2. And by using the now here I will be using the binomial expansion, or simply first of all I will be just taking this r square as common, so this will be equal to 1 minus r cube. Now here I am taking r square as common, so this will be r square to the power 3 by 2, so this will be equal to r cube, and in bracket I will be getting 1 plus h square divided by r square to the power 3 by 2. Okay, and so finally by using the binomial expansion I will be getting the value here as 1 minus, this will be equal r cube, and r cube will get cancelled out, and this expression can now be written as if I just this value, this 1 plus h square by r square in bracket to the power 3 by 2, if I take it in the numerator, this will be equal to 1 plus h square by r square minus 3 by 2, and the final answer will be equal to 1 minus, now here I will be using the binomial expansion, so the approximate value will be equal to 1 minus 3 by 2 h square by r square. So this is the approximate value. I have used the binomial expansion, and by using the binomial expansion I am getting the approximate value, which is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2 h square by r square, and from here this 1 and 1 will get cancelled out, and finally I am getting the value as 3 by 2 h square upon r square. So the correct answer will be equal to 3 by 2 h square, 3 by 2 h square by r square. So the correct option is the D option. So here we have to simply use the formula for the magnitude of magnetic field due to the current which is flowing in a coil at a distance h, which is lying on the axial line of it, and by using that formula we calculated the value of the magnetic field at the center, and thereafter we found the fractional decrease by using the formula, that is the magnetic field at the center minus the magnetic field at a distance h on the axial line due to the current which is flowing in the coil divided by B center. So by using this formula, we finally found the fractional decrease in the value of the magnetic field at a distance h, which is lying on the axial line of the coil. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the chapter of magnetic effect of current. And so till then, have a nice day. Bye.